Yeah, how's it going? So today we're going to check out a place called Tarzan Falls. It's a little hiking trail up here in Guam. All right, let's go take a look. Now which way do we go? So there's a whole bunch of different trails. I don't even know which way I'm going, if I'm going the right way. So I guess we'll find out sooner or later. All right, so I passed a couple of the hikers and they said we're going the right way. So at least we got that going for us. Well, looks like we found it. Looks pretty cool out here. Got a couple of little waterfalls here at Tarzan Falls. So these rocks here are really slippery, so if you come out here, be careful. All right, so from the falls up there, I took a trail that was on the left, and hopefully it's going to lead us down to the bottom. So that is Tarzan Falls behind me. It's actually pretty cool. It was a fun little hike. Try it out. All right, so those waterfalls, that was Tarzan Falls. It's not a bad little hike getting out there. Some pretty cool little waterfalls. So you can just hang out there, have lunch. Some people were going in the water. It's not real deep, so don't jump in from the top. Yeah, so if you have a chance, check it out. It's pretty cool. Well, the walk back is definitely more tiring than the way down. We're gonna go this way. All right, well, I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did, remember to comment, like, and subscribe. All right, thanks. All right, so like I said, that is Tarzan Falls. It was a fun hike. Going out there, it wasn't bad at all. Coming back was a little more difficult. It was more uphill, so well, that's to be expected. Luckily, it's been a dry day, dry week. So overall, it was pretty dry. Only one small spot had some mud, and when you first go in, the trail's kind of underbrush, so it doesn't really dry out, it seems like. So it's kind of like clay. It's kind of moist clay, so it's a little slippery, but other than that, it's pretty good. No problems, no issues. I found that the trail there's several different trails, so I found that if you just stay to the left, you'll eventually get to where you're going. So you go in through the gate, there's a fork, go left. Follow that until you get to the end of the gate where the windmill is, the fence that's got the barbed wire, go left, and then just keep going there. And then the trail seems to crisscross each other all the way down. So one way is steeper than the other, depends which way you want to go. So have fun. It's a good hike.